A number of popular Boise bars could reopen as soon as next week with serious COVID-19 prevention methods in place. The move contingent on Central District Health moving schools into the yellow category for community spread. The changes come after a petition from 10 owners of a dozen well-known bars and strip clubs in Boise. Their case presented by a former Idaho Lieutenant Governor and Attorney General at a special CDH meeting tonight. Our Lindsay Amundsen has the details.
When the bars opened in early June, there were 10 individuals who were infectious that visited multiple bars over the course of a weekend. And from that, we had several patrons from those facilities as well as staff who had become infected.
The CDH issued a mandatory shutdown order of all Ada County bars. But now with positive cases trending downward, 10 bars put forth a petition to reopen because of tremendous economic hardships they are facing.
We very well will have 7 of these bars next week and 4 of these bars the week after, and each of them losing their lease, economic consequences, and 25 employees on the street approximately for each such bar.
In their petition, it states all bars will require face coverings, they will enforce social distancing with security guards, and they will require customers to sit at tables that are socially distanced, to name a few.
With the restrictions that were described, that if the bars are sincerely committed to taking the steps that they're proposing, they'll look very much like restaurants.
But there are still concerns.
How do you and your staff feel, Russ, in regards to opening bars before we even open schools, in regards to knowing the risk and that our case counts are still too high?
If the bars do their job, which they're requesting the opportunity to do, and using security staff to enforce the orders, it's my recommendation to give them that opportunity. And if they don't, I think it'll become very apparent very quickly.
Duke also says that they have advanced their contact tracing and would be able to identify where outbreaks occur and shut the bar down.
We have enough data and enough experience now. We could even further pinpoint the problem areas versus the countywide issuance of a quarantine order.
And if a bar doesn't follow the guidelines?
If we have a bar, for example, that's open and no face coverings by staff, no limitation of group sizes, it's our expectation that law enforcement would enforce our orders.
Lindsay Amundsen, Idaho News 6.
Once that move to yellow happens, the bars will still have to submit a plan to Central District Health and have it approved before they can reopen.